Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the chart.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
So I think the DXY found some support here at this level, and this looks like the start of a wave 5 coming for DXY. So what I'm expecting to see here next week is a move further up, and then find some retrace, and then maybe look for a wave 5. Yeah, so something about the Fed is if they mention anything about increasing interest rates, either at a faster pace or with higher frequency, the market will get jittery and this would definitely pump. My guess is that the hawkish bear stance is almost coming to an end, and the risk-on assets will pump once the interest rates hikes actually kicks in, which is around March. So unless they announce something like February and cause massive panic in the market, I don't see it moving to the upside very quickly. So expect to see some resistance around 96.1, and then it will trade sideways for a while, and then one final pump blow off top right before the interest rate hikes kicks in. Then we will see a correction downwards. That's what I'm expecting.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.